So today I've got this all new 2021 BS6 Honda Hornet 2.0. Now this one's matte blue finish and it's in for ceramic paint protection, which I'll be starting in a minute. But I've got also a Mahindra Thar behind me and I'll be coming up with full detailing videos of that soon. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. First I begin with complete wipe down of the vehicle just to get rid of any loose dirt even after a wash. And then I go on to remove all the seats to get better access to the painted surface. And soon after removing the seats, I notice a manufacturing defect on the fuel tank. So everything is matte except for a little, I can say like 2 square inches. That's a gloss finish there. It's a manufacturing defect. Maybe they would have polished, or God knows what happened. But as you guys can see, I hope you can see the difference. Since it's matte finish, nothing can be done about it. So I'm just gonna leave that as such. But while removing the plastic from the front guard, I noticed sharp leftovers of the welding. This wasn't a good sign. I felt that the owner or anybody for that instance could easily get hurt by those super sharp edges. Look at how sharp they are. Wondering how this passed the quality check. That could easily hurt my finger. Well, I had to check other welding points, but luckily they weren't as sharp. I had to fix this, so I hammered it down a little bit to make it as flat as possible, just to make sure it wouldn't hurt anybody in the future. After my quality inspection and rectifying the factory defects, I move on to the detailing part. I'm thoroughly wiping down all the panels with isopropyl alcohol to make sure the surface is free of any contaminants or oils. Now since this is a matte finish, I'm not gonna polish because that would be madness, making it all glossier, and then there will be no point buying a matte finish paint. After cleaning and prepping the surface, I'm picking up my bottle of 9H ceramic coating that's compatible for matte finish paints and start the preserving process. Yes, matte finish paints can also be protected with ceramic coatings. It does everything that a coating does on a gloss finish paint except for adding the shine. It has all that UV resistance for resistance against oxidation and color fading, all chemical resistance and self-cleaning properties. But make sure you don't ever polish your matte finish paint. That'll do nothing but make it glossier. You'd lose that matte look, and trust me, there's no way back. In my past years of experience, I have seen people bringing in vehicles with gloss finish paint that was once matte and asking to fix the issue. There's only one fix to that: repainting. So panel by panel, I apply the ceramic coating and then remove the excess with a clean, fresh microfiber cloth. Even the brake calipers were protected with ceramic coating that would make sure it doesn't lose its color. And after that, the front and rear powder coated wheels were protected with turtle wax spray on ceramic coating. Against special request from my client, I cut a paint protection film and stuck it on the odometer to protect it from minor scratches. So I hope you like this video, and this is the after results of ceramic coating.